Hey guys! Looking for dream home condo sa Mandaluyong? Imagine this, a home just step away from Shaw Boulevard Station, located in a very prime, safe, and elegant neighborhood. But wait, there's more. What if I told you na may sarili itong mall? Yes, a full shopping experience, just an elevator ride away. Lahat ng basic needs mo, check. Coffee, groceries, dine-in out, lahat nandyan na. Super convenient, especially for busy professionals and young families. This isn't just a condo living, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And the best part, flexible payment term. You can move in for as low as 10% down payment. Yup, and you're on the way to elegant city living. Dito, every day feels like you're living in the spotlight. Nasa puso ng Mandaluyong along EDSA at super lapit sa MRT Boni Station. Fame Residences ay isang 4-tower development ng SM Development Corporation built on a total lot area na 18,907 square meter. Lahat ng tower ay may 39 story. Kaya imagine, ang view ng city from your unit, breathtaking. Plus, ang location nito ay super strategic, malapit sa business district, malls, and transportation hubs. Good news, ready for occupancy na ang Tower 1 and 2. Perfect kung gusto mong lumipat agad or gusto mo nang iparent out para sa passive income. From 8th floor to 41st floor, puro residential unit. 7th floor naman, dito mo makikita ang amenities at garden units. 2nd floor to 6th floor are parking levels. And sa ground floor naman, nandun ang commercial space for your daily needs. Kung gusto mong ma-achieve ang work-life balance goals mo, eto na yon. May adult pool and kiddie pool for quick refreshment, outdoor fitness area, at ang favorite ng lahat, ang Walk of the Fame, kung saan feeling celebrity ka habang naglalakad. Plus, may elegant lobby, chill lounge, function room for events, play area for kids, and relaxing sunken garden. Each tower has 4 elevator, automatic fire detection system, standby generator, and even centralized system tank for water supply. When it comes to security, panalo, may 24/7 security, CCTV camera sa lahat ng selected areas, and reliable intercom system. May front desk and property management service din, so hassle-free and living experience mo. Whether ikaw ay isang young professional, investor, o simply gusto mong tumira sa isang sosyal at secured na condo, Fame Residences is ready to welcome you home. Located sa Mandaluyong, prime location, easy access to everything. Gusto mong magpa-tripping or kumuha ng sample computation? I-message mo lang ako or comment down below. At ito naman ang likod na side ng Fame Residences. Sa mga pamilyar na sa area, parang BGC lang ang vibes dito. Sobrang maaliwalas, modern, and surrounded by offices. Perfect for rental investment dahil ang daming potential tenant na professionals. Ang ganda ng location ng likod ng Fame Residences. Mas tahimik. Maaliwalas talaga dito sa likod ng Fame Residences. Ang ganda tumambay at perfect din para sa nagja-jogging o morning walk. Very relaxing ang vibe. Ngayon naman, samahan nyo kami para silipin ang actual lobbies, amenities, at mismong unit para makita nyo kung gaano ka-comfy at ka-elegant ang living space dito. take a look with the actual unit. This unit is 26 square meter, 1 bedroom with balcony. Kung anong mga nakikita nyo dito, ito na yung actual deliverables niya. May kasama na siyang exhaust, built-in cabinet, grease trap, cooktop, at sa toilet naman, merong provision for upload washing machine. Ito yung towel holder kasama na, at ang kinagandahan, meron na siyang shower enclosure na glass. Ayan, papasok ako sa loob, as you can see, kasyang-kasya. Meron na rin tayong provision for shower heater. And take a look with the exciting part. Ito yung ating living area. Ang taas ng ceiling dito, napansin ko. Ito yung sliding door going to the bedroom area. Pwede nyo ring ipa-remove yan kung gagawin nyo siyang parang hotel concept. At ito naman yung ating bedroom area. Ang taas lang ng ceiling. Ayan, pinapakita ko naman sa inyo kung gaano kataas yung ating wall to ceiling na window. Ang height ko pala is 5'3". And ito naman yung balcony area. Facing amenity / city view. Ayan, ang taas lang. Ito yung view ng Mandaluyong area. Dalawa yung view ng unit na to. Ito naman yung view sa labas papunta sa elevator. So maganda, hindi siya madilim. Sa mga interested buyer, you can contact me from my WhatsApp that you see on my screen. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime. Thanks for watching and see you from my next video.